this is our Delta faucet, and we absolutely love this faucet. We picked it after doing quite a bit of research, so let me tell you why we chose it. So number one, functionalities. It ticks off every box in our book. We cook a lot, we have a little one, and we have an enormous sink. So, you know, we wanted something that has really nice reach when you take out the sprayer. We also wanted something that you can use in a touch-free, or I guess in a sensor mode. So if the handle is open here, you can go ahead and press and tap anywhere between a handle all the way to the sprayer, and it'll activate the faucet. And then the other thing too is that the sprayer is really quite nice. So watch this. It's really, really powerful. Then you can just flip it back and you have regular flow. It is battery activated. This is not plugged in. So when it's on, you'll see the little light here. If you turn off the handle, the light will continue to stay on. To preserve the battery light, just tap it so the light is off, and that way your battery will last you a lot longer. When the water is on, from cold to hot, the light goes from blue to purple, so you know if you're turning it on that the water is going to be hot. And this was just, you know, really good quality for the price. We love the look of it too. It fits for our aesthetics quite perfectly, and the amount of water that comes out of it, gallons per minute, is perfect for us too. So there's nice pressure when the faucet is on. All in all, we're super happy with it, and we highly recommend it. It's been in our kitchen for close to, I guess, 7 months now. We absolutely love it, no issues with it, and we totally recommend it.